Hi, and so the tutorial I'm going to show you how to crop image on Photopea website. So all you need to do first of all is just go and open the browser that you're gonna use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any of other browsers could be possibly working for you. So of course when you open your browser all you need to do just go here to the URL and type photopea.com and hit the enter button. That will certainly will take you into this page. So of course from here you can like create a new project, you can open something from your computer, you can choose one of their PSD templates, or you can just drop your file here and start working on it. So for me I'm just going to click add new projects and I'm going to choose one of their templates right here. And of course, once the template is loaded, you'll find here at the right the components of this template. Of course, you can like start editing this template. You can like do whatever you want with the template by just selecting the thing that you want to edit right here and start editing it, move it, or do whatever you want. Of course, if you want to go back, all you need to do just hit Control Z once, it will go back once, or if you spam it, you will go back to the beginning template that you choose. Of course, let me just first of all choose an image or insert an image from here to show you, as we said in the title, on how to crop an image on Photopea website. So as you can see, I inserted an image right here, and we can actually like make it bigger, make it smaller, or maybe make it as a background. Let me just remove this background. Okay, as you can see. So let's say we would like to crop this image. Simply, we would like just to go here to this crop tool and click on it, then crop whatever, not turn it, of course. Let's just crop whatever we want. So let's say as an example, I want to crop just this flowers, this blue flowers with this background, and click add the check mark right here, which is confirm. And as you can see, we cropped this the part that we want. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.